What is your name?
Sir, my name is Anurag Kumar.
Anurag. How old are you?
Sir, I'm old, 20 years.
Okay. So can you speak English?
Yes, sir, I speak English.
नहीं, देखो जब भी आपको अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलनी है तो आप देखो मैं क्वेश्चन किससे कर रहा हूँ, आपको आंसर उसी में करना है.
ठीक है सर.
Can you speak English?
Yes, sir, I can speak English.
Can you prepare food?
No, I cannot prepare food.
Can you ride the bike?
Yes, sir, I can ride bike.
Can you ride the scooty?
Yes, sir, I can ride
Can
scooty.
you pull the rickshaw?
No, sir, I cannot pull the rickshaw.
Will you pull the rickshaw in future?
No, sir, I cannot pull the rickshaw in future.
Will you? So I will not.
No, I will not pull the rickshaw in future.
Will you join a job?
Yes, sir, I will join the job.
Okay. So are you graduate?
Yes, sir, I am graduate.
Okay. What have you done in graduation? क्या करा आपने? What have you done in graduation?
I have done BSc.
BSc.
Third year.
BSc with maths.
Yes, sir, BSc math.
Okay. BSc with maths वाले जो maths वाले बच्चे होते हैं वो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So what is your favorite subject?
Sir, my favorite subject is maths also.
Okay.
Maths and also computer.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So please tell about your daily routine life.
Okay, sir. I can tell about my daily routine life.
बताइए क्या
Yes, sir.
करते हो?
Before speaking anything, I would like to give thanks to Mr. Ravi sir
Thank
for
you.
inviting me on this podium.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir, from the bottom of my heart.
From the bottom
Of
of
my heart.
Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Anurag Kumar,
Okay.
and I want to tell something about my daily routine life. Before, first of all, I got up early in the morning.
Okay.
After that, I get fresh. After getting fresh, I drop my younger brother into the school. After dropping school, I brush my teeth and I take bath. After taking bath, I take breakfast. After taking breakfast, I use my phone for entertainment because entertainment is good for frustration, anxiety, and problems.
Okay.
After using my phone, I get ready for coaching.
Okay.
I take out my scooty and
Okay.
I pick my friend Indresh.
Okay.
After reaching coaching, I say hello, Mr. Ravi sir, because
Okay.
saying hello is a manner in our life.
Okay.
And I saying hello, Mr. Ravi sir. I attend my English speaking class and I also learn computer class.
Okay. Who
Uh,
is
after
your computer teacher?
sir, my computer teacher is Ravi sir.
Okay.
Yes,
I am
sir.
teaching you computer.
Yes, sir. You are teaching.
Can you operate computer?
Yes, sir. I can operate computer.
Okay, please continue. After completing your computer class, then what do you do?
After attending my classes, I come back my home. After coming back my
I
home,
come back to my home.
I come back to my home. After coming back my home
After coming back
to my home,
to my home.
I take lunch.
Hmm.
After taking lunch, I take rest.
Okay.
In evening, I take tea. After taking tea, I spend some time with family.
सबको देख के बोलो तो.
After some time with my family, because spending some time with family is a golden period in our life.
देखो बच्चों क्या है ना कि आई कांटेक्ट जो होता है वो बहुत मैटर करता है. अगर मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ आप लोगों को और ऊपर देख के पढ़ा रहा हूँ कि आज आप लोगों को मैं एक नया चैप्टर सिखाऊंगा और मेरे चैप्टर का नाम है क्षमता. जो आप लोग कर सकते हैं उसको हम लोग खैन लगाते हैं उसमें, और खैन को CAN बोलते हैं. और आपको बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा होगा इस समय में, ठीक है, कि मैं ऐसे देख के घर पढ़ा रहा हूँ, ठीक है. तो फिर जब तक मैं आपको इंटरेक्शन नहीं करूँगा आपके साथ में तब तक आपको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा.
Yes,
तो ऐसे ही आप बोल रहे हो तो सबको देख के मतलब बोलना है आपको. और जो कुछ भी व्यक्ति अगर क्लास में बैठा हुआ है वो इनको देखे, ये नहीं कॉपी देख रहा है, कोई अपने मतलब नाखून देख रहा है, ये बड़े हुए गए कार्टन थे हमें तो, ठीक है. तो ऐसा नहीं करना है, ठीक है. तो इनको देखना है, इनकी तरफ देखना है, ठीक है. समझ में आया? नहीं आप कहोगे अरे यार हम क्यों देखें इनको. ये एटिकेट्स होते हैं. जब कोई बोल रहा होता है तो हमें उसको देखना है, उसको सुनना है ध्यान से, ठीक है. और इनका काम क्या है? सबको समझाना है, सबकी तरफ देख के बोलना, ठीक है. चलिए कंटिन्यू करिए.
After spending some time with family, I take dinner.
आवाज़ कम क्यों हो गई आपकी? थोड़ा आवाज़ बढ़ाइए.
After spending some time with family, I take dinner at 9 p.m. and I sleep at 10 p.m. Thank you so much, sir, and thank you so much everyone for listening me carefully.
Okay.
Yes,
So are you feeling nervous?
yes, sir. Little bit.
Okay. You are feeling nervous.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So will you join a job?
Yes, sir. I will join job.
Will you join a computer job?
Yes, sir. I will join computer job.
Can you operate computer?
Yes, sir. I can I can operate computer.
Okay. Are you learning Microsoft Excel?
Yes, sir. I learned.
I am learning.
I am learning Microsoft
देखिए
Excel.
मैं आर से पूछना तो
Yes, sir.
आप ING लगे बताओगे. Are you learning Microsoft Excel? तो आप बोलोगे I am learning Microsoft Excel.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what do you know in Microsoft Excel? Do you know pivot table?
Yes, sir. I know pivot table.
What is the short form of pivot table? Creating pivot table.
So short form of pivot table is Alt plus N plus V.
Okay. Alt plus N plus V. Will it work in 2003 Microsoft Excel?
Yes, sir. I will work with 2000 Excel.
No. Will it work in 2003 Microsoft Excel? Alt and V.
No, sir. No. That's
Why?
not work. Because Excel 2003 is old version.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the shortcut key of 2003 version?
Alt plus D plus D. D
Alt
plus
plus-
T. D plus T.
D plus P.
D plus P.
All DP.
All DP.
What about all DP? Will it work in 2013?
Yes, sir. It is working.
It will work
It will work 2013.
in 2013.
Yes, sir. In 2013.
Okay. So you know pivot table.
Yes,
Very
sir.
well.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you put a pivot table? Can you put a pivot table in Microsoft Excel if I give you data?
Yes, sir. I put pivot table in Microsoft.
I can put.
I can put pivot table in Microsoft Excel if you
Okay.
give me data.
Can you make attendance sheet if I give you data of a company? Then can you please make a attendance sheet?
Yes, sir. I can make a attendance sheet. If
Okay.
you give me a data of company.
Okay. I have a school. Okay. Can you please make a mark sheet? Can you please make mark sheet for my all students?
Yes, sir. I can make mark sheet for your school.
Okay. How many columns are there in Microsoft Excel? In 2007 version.
No,
You know how
sir.
many columns are there? How many rows are there?
No, sir. I don't know.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So there are 10 lakhs 48,576 rows
Yes, sir.
and 16,384 are columns.
Yes, sir.
Do you know what is a cell?
Yes, sir. I know what. After interaction of row and column, it is called cell.
Okay, intersection of row and
row
column,
and column, that is
become a
called
cell.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the value of Microsoft Excel according to you?
Sir, the value of Microsoft Excel, according to me, this is really useful for private jobs,
Okay.
and also this is used for our daily life and business,
Okay.
and also for
You are saying
government.
that this is useful only in private sector. Don't you think it is useful in government sector also? There are many government sectors where we need to capture the data, where we need to create the data, where we need to create reports. Even in army, it is used in army. I have trained many army people online. They have learned Microsoft Excel because they need to create attendance sheet for the recruiters.
Okay,
Those
sir.
are the new recruiters when they are taking the leave, when they are going to leave. So they are making the reports like this.
Okay, sir.
So Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool. It is actually a lot of people they are learning like Tally. They say that I
Tally.
wanna learn Tally.
Yes, sir.
But gone are the days of Tally. Now this is a smart time, so we
Yes,
need
sir.
to learn Excel.
Excel.
Okay. So will you complete this Microsoft Excel course?
Yes, sir. I will complete this course.
Okay.
in
What about
future.
your friend Ashutosh?
Sir, my friend.
Where is he?
Sir, he is. Sir,
He is in.
he is in Delhi.
Okay.
Because he take job.
He is working.
He has working
He
in.
has got a job.
He has got a job in MNC company.
Okay. Cast 24.
Cast 24.
Okay. So do you want to join Cast 24?
Yes, sir. I want to join Cast 24.
Okay. Definitely you will join.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There are many companies in Delhi NCR. You can start your career by these companies. First of all, you need to gain some knowledge.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please put your hands together for it. Please clap.
Thank you.